In this video, I'm going to help you understand if you have Google Analytics set up correctly on your website. My name is Sarah Thornburg, and I'm here to help you demystify digital marketing, SEO, and online strategy. Have you set up Google Analytics but aren't quite sure if it's set up correctly? In this video, I'll show you how to know if you have Google Analytics code on your site and how to know if it's the correct code. There are two different ways to understand if you have Google Analytics code on your website. The first is to view the source code of your site, or the second is to use a Chrome plugin. Viewing the code of your site is super simple and easy. All you do is navigate to your site, right-click anywhere on your site, and select View Page Source in Chrome, or simply View Source in Internet Explorer. Then hold down the Control button and hit the F key on your keyboard to search for your code. This will trigger the Find and Replace box to appear in your browser. Type in Google Analytics, all one word with no spaces, in the search box. If you have the Google Analytics script on your site, you should see the words highlighted in the source code with your tracking ID. If not, you will need to install the code. If you haven't installed Google Analytics code on your site, check out the resources linked below. The second way to know if you have Google Analytics code on your site is to use a Chrome plugin called Tag Assistant by Google. Tag Assistant is my go-to method, as it's only one click away. Tag Assistant will also discover other tags on your site, like Google Tag Manager, Google Ads, and more. Simply search for the Tag Assistant extension in the Google Web Store and click the button to add it to Chrome. Once it's added to Chrome, simply click the assistant icon. The first time you use the plugin, it will ask you which tags you want the assistant to check for. I went to check for all tags and then click Done. Click the button to enable Tag Manager and you're good to go. Navigate to your website, then click on the Google Assistant icon. You may need to click Enable again. If so, then just refresh your site and click the Google Assistant icon. If you have any Google tags set up on your site, it will indicate which tags it finds on the site and include a green smiley face icon if the tag is set up properly. Now that you have discovered if your site has Google Analytics set up, the next step is to determine if the tag matches the account you have access to. So often I find that the tags on my clients' websites do not match the account they set up. In a new tab in your browser, open Google Analytics and log into your account. Click the admin item in the left navigation. Then click on Tracking Info, which is found in the middle property column. Click Tracking Code from the list of items. Your tracking ID will display to the right and should match the code you found on your website. If it does not match, like in this example, then you need to either find the account that matches or update the tracking code on your site with the code in your account. Ideally, the tracking ID in Google Analytics matches the code on your website. If it does, then you have correctly set up Google Analytics on your site. Go ahead and start using the reports to understand more about your website analytics. If you found this information useful and would like to be alerted to any future blogs or videos about Google Analytics, please sign up for my email list. Also, please comment down below if you have any additional questions after watching this video. My goal is to create more valuable information to help you demystify digital marketing, SEO, and online strategy.